In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS launcher on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS launcher. Following that, you need to download this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now select while using the app and allow in the pop-ups. When you're ready, swipe up and click on Home button. Then tap on Remember My Choice. Click on iOS launcher and hit Got it. So when I do that, as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Xiaomi. But you can always switch between your layouts by going into Settings, scrolling down and tapping on Apps. Now click on Manage Apps. Click on those three dots at the top right corner and tap on Default Apps. Finally, click on Launcher and select System or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!